Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram. So basically this is the ultimate guide on how to use this application. So basically, first of all, when we open application we will see the chats when we successfully signed up to Telegram. So here I already have some chats. I subscribed to some channels just to show you how it works, but we will see everything from the scratch. So first of all, go to the settings by clicking on the settings icon in the bottom right corner and you will have this interface. First of all, I'll show you how to edit your profile. Here in the top right corner, if you click on the edit button, you can choose your first name, last name, you can change it, you can add some bio. As you can see, I can type here just simply hello. Moreover, you can add your date of birth. In my case, it is this one, 8th January. Change your number if you want, username, and add your color. As you can see, by clicking your color, you can change the color associated with your account. So I will choose, for example, this one. And moreover, you can choose some icons if you want, but this is available only with Telegram Premium because I already subscribed to Telegram Premium. And when you are ready, you need to click on the Apply Changes. We will talk about Telegram Premium a little bit later. So basically, when you're done with redesigning your profile, you can also add a photo, of course, if you want, but I will go with the default one and click on the done button. Now we have our profile set. Here, moreover, we can see how our profile look like by clicking my profile button here, and as you can see, this is how people see my profile on Telegram. If you go back, you can choose here a wallet. Wallet is a complete different topic. We won't talk about it here. Saved messages. Saved messages is where all the saved messages are located. So if you go to the different chat, go to the, for example, this chat called saved messages. So basically, if you do not see this chat here, you can always just simply search for this chat by typing saved here and you will see your saved messages. So basically, if you want to save some message, so for example, I will go to this channel, and if I hold on some message for a while, I can see some of the options: reply, copy link, and if I go to the forward and forward this message to the saved messages, it will automatically be saved and I can find this message just right here. As you can see, here it is. If you want to save something, you can always save it like that. Then if you click on the recent calls, you will see some recent calls. By going to devices, you will see the devices that are logged into your account. If you click on the terminate all other sessions, it means basically you will log out from other devices on this account. And of course, you can automatically terminate all sessions if you are inactive on them from 1 to 1 month. It depends on what you would like. I will go with the 6 months. Now go back, and here basically you will have chat folders. So if you have too many chats, you always can add a chat folder. So basically click on the create folder right here and name it. So for example, channels. And here you can just click on add chats and add the chats to the channels folder. So for example, this is a channel, this channel, this channel, this channel. I want these channels to be on my channel folder. Clicking on done, I will add them, and by clicking on create, in the top right corner, you will create this folder. And now if you go back, you will see the folder called channels in your chats right here. Now go back, and here are some settings stuff. So you can go to them and customize them as you want. So for example, notifications, if you want them to be in the other sound or just basically in some other way, you can just simply go and change it. Privacy and security, this is all about your privacy, so who can see your phone number, profile photo, bio, it is up to you. You can change it right here. Then go to the data in storage. This is where the Telegram shows how many storage do it use, so you can change it right here or clear the cache if you want. As you can see, there are some settings as show 18+ content. You can toggle it on or toggle this off. You can check if it is fine to you or not. Then go to appearance, and here you can customize how a Telegram look like. So basically, I want for my chats to look like this, for example. I can always add a chat wallpaper if I want. So for example, here how it will look like. You can change it and play with it, or always you can Of course, you can choose some photos to be as your chat folder. Go back, and here basically some more stuff of how you can customize your Telegram. So for example, you can change the icon of the Telegram right here. By that, I'll go with the black one, and basically that is it. Now, of course, the language of the Telegram, and of course Telegram Premium. So basically Telegram Premium allows you to make stories, so make posts, to have some cool stuff. As you can see, they're all listed here, no ads of course. It is up to you. If you want, you can just subscribe to the Telegram Premium. It is like $4, I believe. So here it is, everything for the profile. But as you can see here in the top left corner, you have a little QR code, so you can share your account by sharing the QR code to your profile with the others. Now go to the chats, and here in the chats I'll show you how it works perfectly. So basically now I have the account, I have the chat with this account, and to type the message to this account, I just need to simply go and type it right here. I always have some attachments. If I click on the attachment button right here, I always can attach some photos or make a gift. It costs some money to you attach some files, location, everything you want. Moreover, you have here some stickers. If you click on the stickers button, you always can just simply send the guy some stickers if you want, or if you want to add some stickers, you can always just simply tap on the sticker you want to add to your collection and click on the add button. And of course you can record the video message by holding on this little button in the bottom right corner, but I won't do it right now. So by holding the chat, you can always mark as and read, pin the chat if you want, so it will be in the top of the chats always, or mute if you would like to mute all the chats. By going to the profile of this guy, you can always just simply click on the more button and block the user if you want, clear the chat, or start the secret chat if you want. The secret chat is the chat where you can forward any messages or screenshot them. And basically that's it. By clicking on the edit button, you can add a custom name for this guy, or moreover you can always set a photo for this guy for yourself, or suggest them to change their profile picture. So basically now here are the channels. The channels look like this, and if you go to the channel profile, you can always check what it look like. And you can always search the channels by searching them for their username. So for example, some Durov. Here are the channels with the username Durov, and you can always click on the channel and click on the join button in the bottom to subscribe to the channel. So here basically, when you go back to the chats folder by clicking on the little button in the top right corner with a little pen, you can just simply go and create a new group, just simply a group with the people where you chat with them. You can create a new contact or create your own channel. So by clicking new group, you will need to invite some people in your group. So for example, I will invite this guy. You can invite up to 200,000 people to your group. Then click on the next button. Now you can name your group. So for example, it will be friends, something like that. You can always add a photo to your group, and you can turn on auto deleting messages if you want, and then click on the create button, and now you have a group called friends where you can chat with them. Hello everyone. So something like that. Now if you click on your group, you can always customize it. You can start a video chat. You can mute this group if you want, sort some messages if you lost one, or just customize it as you want by clicking on the edit button right here, create invite links, chat history, topics, etc. Now if you want to delete some guy from this group, you can always just simply slide to the left and click on the delete button, and that is basically how you can kick someone from the group. And if you want to create a channel, you will always have to click on this little pen in the top right corner, click on the new channel button, click on create channel, and type the channel name. So for example, it will be channel. You can select the picture for this channel, description, and then click on the next button. and you can make it public if you want people to be able to discover it through the search, or you can make it private so only people with the link can join your channel. I will go with the private one. Then click on the next button, invite some people if you want to the channel, click on the next, and here is your channel, and where you can just simply share your thoughts, and people will see it, and if they want, they can react by holding the message and clicking like the reaction. Also, you can add these reactions to every single message on the Telegram by simply double tapping it, or just simply, if you hold for a while, you can select a variety of reactions if you want. So by clicking on the calls, you will also see some calls list on your profile, and going to the contacts, you will see the contacts on your channel. And basically, that is all about Telegram, but basic stuff. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.